but the timing is terrible right now. They just promoted me to manager. Plus, I own this building. I run a very substantial farm. And I'm getting married soon to a woman I love. And okay, yeah, maybe that love is just zeros and ones, but
But how do you express love with a bunch of ones and zeros? For that, we will have to back up a little. Look at these two sequences. It feels like the lower sequence is simply missing a 9. Well, the upper system is a base 10 system and the lower one is a base 9 system. A base 10 system has 10 unique digits, similarly a base 9 has 9. Both of them are completely valid because who said a new digit has to be introduced after 9? Here we have done so after 8. So the 9 is not missing. The value of this 10 in base 9 system is 9. Here's how they both would continue. If we take the number 345 for example, 5 is in the units place, 4 is in the tens place, and 3 is in the hundreds place. If we are considering the number to be in base 10, if it were in base 9, 5 would be in ones place, 4 would be in nines place, and 3 would be in 81's place. So the value of 345 in base 9 is 284. So binary is basically a base 2 system. And as you may already know, it has only two unique digits, 0 and 1. Now, if you want to convert from binary to base 10, you can simply use our previous technique. Let's do this number, for example. Assign the places their correct values and simply calculate. But if you want to do the opposite, one way is that for small numbers, you can just mentally compute what powers of 2 add up to get that number. For example, 20 is just 16 plus 4. So we write it as 10100. Or if we have a large number like 345, we can divide it by 2 to get remainder 1 and quotient 172. Basically, what we do is keep dividing the quotient by 2 till it hits 0 and place the remainders of the divisions from left to right. So 172 by 2 is 86, 86 by 2 is 43, 43 by 2 is 21 with remainder 1, 21 by 2 is 10 with remainder 1, 10 by 2 is 5, 5 by 2 is 2 with remainder 1, 2 by 2 is 1, and 1 by 2 is 0 with remainder 1. Now, for letters and other characters, we simply convert their ASCII values. If you don't know what ASCII values are, every character has an ASCII value. For example, T has an ASCII value of 116, but for capital T, it's 84. Only thing is we have to add trailing zeros to make it 8 digits long. And that was conceptual binary for you. Subscribe if you liked it, like if you subscribed it, and goodbye.